Hey everybody, Shaji here. Welcome to Mount Tom. This is the lower level nature hut, and you can see some of our colorful Egyptian projects that are out here. Alright, and let's go inside and let's see what some of the animals. Well, out here before we go in, we have a ginormous turtle just hiding in the water. I don't know if you see him. And some fish are swimming around with him. Those are his friends now. Alright. And we're going to say hello to some of the animals. Over here, we have Big Bertha, a gigantic ball python. As you can see, she's about 4.5 feet long. She's a pretty amazing animal. Yeah, the last victim. Now over here, some of you may know our red ear sliders, okay, and our flower tank. And over here we have some of our underwater frogs and goldfish and pool fish. And over here we have our cichlids, different types of fish. Really cool. Okay. Over here we have Freddy the ferret. He's a very playful guy. Alright, he actually loves kids. Very nice, friendly ferret that he is. And he's very naughty too. Alright, so over here we have our chinchilla, probably in its house. Our snail environment, where the snails live. And our king snake. This naughty guy. Very naughty. Alright, our mealworms. And right over here we have our gerbils. See them? In their awesome house. Pretty awesome, very cool. Over here you have our fire dragon. Check him. Pretty awesome. Our leopard gecko. Pretty awesome gecko in this environment. He's swimming around with Patrick. He's a Jets fan, by the way. And over here, our favorite, Madagascar hissing cockroaches. And over here, well, we have a green lizard. And another green lizard. Ooh. Down here, we have Kai, our ball python. He's getting ready to stomp on somebody. See him right in there? And in here, we have our hedgehog. He's hiding in there. Can you see him? See him in there? There he goes, right in there. Our hedgehog, our friendly hedgehog. And right in here, our favorite, the tarantula. Everybody loves this animal. Very misunderstood, but very friendly animal right here. Below, we have our bearded dragons. Very comical. Yep, I know. I didn't forget about you. Alright, you're quite a character there. Oh, yep, uh-huh. Yep, they're quite the bunch right here. It's a motley crew. Over here, we have our corn snake, which is inside. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, the corn snake, which is right inside the habitat enclosure right there. Alright, next. In here we have our mice. They're hiding inside the hay. Over here, another chinchilla. And then finally, we have our guinea pig. Okay. See him? Nice cute little guy here. And then if you go over here is our lake environment, where we have a lot of tadpoles, a lot of different types of critters living in the lake environment. Crayfish. It's a very diverse environment we have in there. And that's the Mount Tom Nature Hut in a flash. See you guys later. Alright.